So I'm going to be drawing a picture basically of somebody commented down below a parrot. So that's why I'm going to be drawing a parrot. Okay, so I'm going to get my pen. I'm not very good at drawing parrots or drawing a doll, but I'll just try. I'll try. Get 2 pens. Well, basically 3. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a parrot. I'm going to get 1 pen. And I am, can I just put this guy like captions? So it might not be the colour. I cannot. Don't think I can. No! Okay. Like this. So I'm going to do, this is for the beak. Nice and bold. And then okay, so that was beak. Uh-oh. Oh no. So then once I do the beak, I'm going to do like a few guys can see. Right, never mind. Here's the picture. And I'll put that, yeah. Jumping. So instead of drawing a parrot, I'm very sorry, can I do it? Comment down below if you're angry with me. If I draw a parrot or if you're not even bothered. I will draw a parrot. I can't even try to draw that. This is going to be hard. That's kind of like the wheel. Yeah, I'm doing the wheel. Tiger, if it means you come on, tiger. Tiger, come on, tiger, it's for YouTube. Yay! Guys, tiger, say hello. Hello. Easy. Oh, no being chicken, no being chicken. I know, sorry. He's the being chicken. Stuck on. It's a girl, by the way. There, I can't jump. I was gonna do it colorful. please put your thumbs up for Tiger's cute. Let's go. Oh, by the way, Tiger, oh my god. Sorry, I think you're on the Thumbs up for Tiger.